Okay, so I currently have the hiccups right now, and I know hiccups are very annoying. So this is the way how to get rid of your hiccups. Of course, you're gonna need some water. You're gonna drink the water 3 times and swallow it, so upside down. So what you do is you drink the water. Hold on. Hold on. I'm gonna have to open the door. So you drink it and swallow upside down. So drink and do that 3 times. Okay, so obviously I really don't have anything to talk about. I just wanted to do a video on how to get rid of hiccups. Now, I'm trying to make a video and talk about something randomly so that way you can see that hiccups are completely gone. I've been doing this since, I don't know, I was young. I was watching the stories with my grandmother, and the lady and the man went in the room or whatever, and I think the woman had hiccups, and she literally drank the water 3 times upside down. I know it's TV, but it worked, and I've been doing it since I was like in my teens. And obviously, I done made this whole video. No hiccups. I'm not trying to talk too fast. Of course, I'm in the car, so I have somewhere to go, but the hiccups are gone. Hopefully, this helps someone.